presenting the Toyota 2003 Tundra SR5. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: lighting package, power package, SR5 extra value package, towing package, TRD sport package, 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo with cassette seek and scan and cassette. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.